How to change your country for Netflix PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your country for Netflix PC. First step is to go to Safari web browser on your PC. Open Netflix from here. Here you can see all your favorite TV shows. Minimize the window. After this, go back to Netflix again. Here, there are TV shows as per your location. The only way to change location in Netflix is to use VPN. For this, go to the web browser. Here, open NordVPN. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.